Hello and welcome back to the channel The Wine Zodiacs. A leader is one who leaves marks everywhere. The personality of world famous leader has a very different kinds of aura and enchanting calm, which attracts people to them. These people have their own speciality. These leaders were born under such planetary combinations which played a significant role in determining their future. According to astrology, there are 12 zodiac signs and each zodiac sign has its own causative planet. It affects our personal life as well as their nature. Through zodiac signs, many people are able to go beyond their own mental power. Furthermore, they have discovered their capabilities in such a way that they have become global leaders in their field. Number 1. Narendra Modi. India's current Prime Minister Narendra Modi was born on 17 September 1950 in Anuradha Nakshatra. His birth and ascending sign is Scorpio. The native of Scorpio sign is fearless, quicker than the mind and has clever instincts. Narendra Modi his skills in administrative prudence, clear foresight and integrity of the character. Because of this skill, Modi ji is maintaining his own identity in India. Modi is realistic as well as an idealistic leader of India. Number 2. Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was undoubtedly the most famous and beloved president of the US. He was born on 12 February 1809 in America. Lincoln is born in the Aquarius ascendant. Lincoln led the nation through his greatest moral, constitutional and political crisis in the American Civil War as well as ending slavery in America. Aquarius people are the most vocal and humanist. Abraham was idealistic and visionary according to his zodiac sign. He broke the revolutionary barrier and all the bonds and made his place in the hearts of the people. Number 3. Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King, who was one of the most famous leaders in America and perhaps all over the world, was born on January 15, 1928. His birth and ascending sign is Capricorn. He had done many kinds of movement for civil rights in this time. The elimination of apartheid was practically popular in this movement and the return of the prominent for the black people. Martin Luther King, like Capricorn, was alert, calm and disciplined. Martin Luther King helped America reduce racial abuse. Through a good leader, he was awarded the Nobel Prize before being assassinated. Number 4. Nelson Mandela. Is there anyone like Nelson Mandela? Probably not. The man who showed humanity and extreme patience was born on 18 July 1918 in South Africa, was born ascending Cancer. Anti-apartheid revolutionaries, eminent politicians and Nobel Peace Prize awardees. People of the Cancer zodiac have the qualities of the being masters of the peace, determination and credibility. Nelson Mandela was the first black leader in the country and was elected for the first time in a fully democratic elections. Number 5. Barack Obama. Barack Hussein Obama was the first black president leaders in United States history and is in fact the most famous among Native Americans. Obama was born on August 4, 1961 and is born Leo zodiac and is truly become the king of all hearts. Obama brought socio-political reform and stability in America. No one in the world was able to resist his charismatic charm, fun-loving and made to bearing the peace of world. He was also rewarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his effort to make the world a peaceful and better place. Number 6. Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler was the most powerful leader in history. He was born on April 29, 1889, was born ascending Taurus. Due to this, World War II also took place. Hitler was a stubborn, combative, indifferent child from childhood. He was always estranged from his father. Hitler's disastrous military dictatorship shocked the world. Hitler hated the Jews. Hitler was probably the only person to have caused much destruction in humanity. and the nature. The people of the Taurus sign indulge in wealth, mind, and stubbornness. Number 7. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the first female Prime Minister of India. He was born on 9 November 1917 and his ascendant sign was Scorpio. He served the country 3 times in a row. She played a very important role in improving the status of the women in the society, with which she had had significant contributions in the freedom struggle of India. However, Indira was assassinated in the year 1984. All these leaders stay in their extreme limits and make a distinct identity in the world. These leaders recognized and exercised both their physical and deep inner strength and became famous in the world. Because of their desires to be the powerful in the world, they broke all kinds of boundaries. In every situation, they adapt himself, continued effort to meet their internal and external struggle without getting distracted from their goals even in difficult situations. All these famous leaders completed their work by living alone and they were never afraid to their loneliness. With patience and diligence, these leaders have left their mark in history, which today's and further generations will also remember with this enthusiasm. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on post notification so you'll never miss and for future fascinating and interesting videos like that one. Stay tuned for viewing that kinds of the videos.